That's a great question. It's one of the things that we spend a lot of time educating our customers about is the proper selection of equipment. Do you have high-speed extract, 400 Gs? How fast are we going to be spinning those washers? Do you have a spray rinse? So instead of filling a washer all the way full on a rinse and then draining it, can we spin it while we're spraying with the drain open like a shower versus a bath to be able to manage your water usage? And then as that high G extract, as you move it into the dryers, if we can remove most of that water in the washing machine, now our dryers run shorter, right? Because those don't have to work as long, which then also creates faster cycle times. It also creates longer linen times because we're not drying that out, beating the linen and creating lint for it. So that in a combination of a good chemical person that really truly understands that there's a balance between a percentage of rewash that's acceptable. Zero rewash is bad as 50, 60, 70% rewash, right? Because there's an optimization that needs to happen. Because if you get every last little stain it's out, maybe you're overwashing it, over putting too much chemistry into it for that last little bit where you could just throw it into a rewash pile. So, one of the things that we do a lot of studies on too is the proper Parlan, meaning how much linen is out on the shelf, how much is in the laundry, and how much is on the bed, that you're not rushing laundry through, that you've got a proper full load to be able to wash. But if you only got a half load and someone needs it right away, you put it in the laundry half full, it's hard on the machine, you're going to waste a lot of energy, you're going to waste a lot of time, or that machine could have done twice as much laundry. So it's really an education through the whole process of proper cycle, machine selection, proper, education and usage.